뉴욕 브루클린의 공동묘지야. 멕시코계의 한 남자가 중범죄를 저지르고 법정에서 무죄로 풀려난 썰을 신나게 풀고 있었죠.
You get that, right? Righter and wrong. That's right.
You're too much.
그런데 남자를 죽인 셀은 그가 가지고 있던 돈 뭉치를 들고 서둘러 자리를 떠나버리죠. 셀은 마약반 형사로 지난밤 마약 범죄자의 돈을 가로채기 위해 그를 살해한 것이었는데
Hey, what do you know about what's his name? Bobby Powers, CI. You hear about that?
Carlo?
Yeah.
Found him with his face blown off in a town car over by the cemetery.
They got any leads on that?
Carlo was a great A asshole. Everyone's a lead. Why?
You think that'd be enough of an embarrassment?
셀은 당장 큰 돈이 필요한 상황이었습니다.
What did I tell him about the turtle?
You can't get a turtle until you get a room.
이미 4명의 아이가 있는 상황에서 아내가 쌍둥이를 임신 중이었고 지금의 환경에서 가족들을 부양하는 일이 쉬운 일이 아니었죠.
Mrs. Vincent called. Where's the deposit? I need the deposit. Where is it?
No, I'll call her tomorrow.
I thought that wasn't gonna work out.
Well, no, that was a problem, but every problem's an opportunity, right?
Yeah. I just don't want you to build it up too much for the kids, you know?
셀은 가족들을 위해 더 나은 환경으로의 이사를 계획 중이었는데
Our house, we belong here. Look at this right here. You have a little pool for a little turtle for Mr. Vinny. Right over here, you have a little garden for Vicky, and in here is a kitchen. You've seen the kitchen, right?
Sal,
No, they got this fridge.
Sal,
No,
I
what?
believe you. Sal.
No, you don't believe
Sal. Sal, you tell me this guy's purple. I'm gonna believe you, okay?
Did you go to the doctor today?
Yes.
Yeah, what did he say?
Yeah, I feel worse, you know, and I should feel better. I do.
셀의 아내는 오래된 집으로 인해 건강이 안 좋아지고 있었죠.
Okay, because it's the fucking mold, all right, in these walls. That's what it is. You know it is. It gets your asthma, it goes into your lungs. No, baby. No. You need a new house. I'm calling Mrs. Vincent right now.
Sal, I don't need anything. I really don't. Just you, babe.
No, you need a new house, okay?
Somebody needs to take care of you, and that somebody is me. Okay?
한편 퇴임을 일주일 앞둔 22년 경력의 베테랑 경찰 에디에게 마지막 임무가 주어지는데
Here's the deal. Our commissioner, he believes in this new program that puts rookie cops in the highest crime areas. And since you're the oldest here,
Look, if it's all the same to you, I got 7 days. I'm no one's teacher. I'm not a role model.
God knows you're not, Eddie. Just do the best you can, okay? Come on, Dugan. Don't you want to do something useful with your last 2 minutes on the job?
그렇게 에디는 원치 않은 신입 교육을 맡게 되죠.
No, I've always wanted to be on the force my whole life. Yeah, it's true. Had plastic handcuffs when I was 3. Yeah, every Halloween, always dressed as a cop. Probably find that pretty corny, right? But hey, we're here now.
Wait here. Don't touch or do anything. Got it?
에디가 잠시 자리를 비운 사이 신참의 눈앞에서 폭행 사건이 벌어지고
Get your finger out of my face, all right? Hey, all right?
Hey, enough. Take a step back.
Fuck out of here.
I'm gonna ask you one more time. All right, that's it. You're
Hey,
under
that's
arrest.
good. That's okay. Walk away. What did I tell you? I said don't do anything. I said just sit there. What? Hey, this is 64th precinct. We are what? What are we? 65th. Right. Was it Halloween that day at the academy? What the fuck is wrong with you? You do not make an arrest out of zone. Get in the car.
은퇴를 앞둔 에디에게 젊은 날 불타올랐던 정의감은 사라진 지 오래였죠.
Get in the car. Happy days are here again.
8년 동안 비밀 경찰로 활동하고 있는 탱고는 마약 조직을 추적하기 위해 악명 높은 BK 단지에 잠입해 있었는데 탱고가 이곳을 찾은 이유는 오랜 친구인 캐즈를 만나기 위해서였죠.
Welcome back. Look at you, all swole up and everything. You know what? You trying to look hard, you know? You trying to look tough, huh?
두 사람은 탱고가 처음 비밀 경찰로 잠복 근무하던 시절 서로의 목숨을 구해주는 사건을 계기로 깊은 사이로 발전했고
8 years. 8 years and ain't a damn thing changed.
탱고가 경찰이란 사실을 꿈에도 모르는 캐즈는 그를 한없이 믿고 있었죠.
You always were smarter than the average motherfucker. But on the strength, though, just want to say thank you, man. The lawyer you turned me on to, sure, I don't know what that motherfucker did, but whatever it was, I wouldn't have won that appeal if it wasn't for him.
Oh, man, that was nothing.
Nothing. Yo, man, I've been running with Red and them, running with the motherfuckers since free lunch, and not one of them motherfuckers came to see me, man. They not a card, not a visit, not a magazine, none.
한편 셀은 BK 단지 내에 있는 범죄 단체를 급습하는데
Hey, you're gonna take me right back to where you came from. Flinch, and I will blow out the back of your fucking spine. Now open the door, bitch.
Kill him, man.
Go! Shit! Please, go! Oh, shit! I'm getting out of the block! Go! Please! Don't fucking move!
Get down, don't
What the fuck are you doing by the window? What the fuck? Huh? Where's the money? You hiding money? Did you throw it out the window? You're fucking lying to me. Are you lying to me?
I'm not.
All right, where is the fucking money?
No money.
What, somebody out there, huh? Who's that? Who's that? Hey!
셀은 도주 중인 범죄자를 뒤쫓죠.
Fucking move! Do not fucking move. Suspect got away. Suspect got away.
하지만
Money!
What the fuck you talking about? I've got no money.
그의 가방엔 셀이 원하는 건 들어있지 않았죠.
What are you running for if you don't have any money, huh? I'm gonna shot you in the fucking back. Get out of here. Get your shit and get out of here before you get me in trouble.
한편 탱고는 상부로부터 새로운 임무를 부여받는데
Casanova Phillips. Judge gave this scumbag a get-out-of-jail-free card. We want you to take that card away.
캐즈의 범죄를 입증할 만한 증거를 확보하라는 것이었습니다.
You put him on a deal with our UCs and push it through. Provide a location Narco can hit. Raid supplies the evidence, and I get myself a high-profile arrest.
I respectfully decline your offer.
비록 거짓 신분으로 시작된 우정이었지만 가짜 증거로 그를 궁지에 몰아넣을 수는 없었죠.
How's Alyssa? Your wife? Oh, I'm sorry. That's soon-to-be ex-wife, right? Get out. Get out.
It's all right. Thank you. Just give us a minute, please.
I heard she's remodeling your house. On a cop's salary, huh? You know, a whole lot of cash has passed through your hands over the last 2 years.
I ain't stole so much as a nickel since I've been on the job. You ain't got shit.
Oh, you do not want me to put a microscope up your ass, because if I do, I will keep looking until I find something.
Until you plant something?
Watch that.
한편 셀은 자신의 고민을 친한 동료 경찰한테 털어놓는데
I'm in trouble.
Okay.
Angie's expecting twins.
You lucky bastard. Congratulations. It's a problem?
Honey, I ain't got room for twins.
Sure you do. You got room
No,
here.
no. Ronnie, I don't get a new house. I get some more bread. I gotta tell one of these kids that they gotta move in with my sister, all right?
You don't have to do that right away, all right? Don't worry about it. You know what I give for one? You're a lucky guy.
하지만 셀은 이미 이사할 집 계약서에 사인을 했고 당장 계약금을 입금해야 하는 상황이었습니다.
No, I know the deadline is Tuesdays. No problem about the deadline, all right? I'm gonna have it well before the deadline. I'm gonna call you back when I have all the money, and then we can figure out a time to meet.
한편 에디에게 실망한 신참 경찰은 그를 떠나 열정적인 다른 고참 형사를 따라 나서죠. 하지만 얼마 후 신참 경찰이 살해된 채 발견되고 맙니다.
Fucking shame. A young guy like that. Probably just starting a family.
실종된 여성의 사진을 말없이 바라보는 에디. 한편 셀의 아내가 병원에 입원하는 일이 발생하고
Well, your wife has significant traces of wood mold in her lungs.
Wood mold.
Okay, when you have mold inside your house, the particles travel in the air.
I know all about the mold.
Well, in your wife's case, because of her asthma, her lungs are working 3 times as hard as they should, which is jeopardizing her and the twins. One of the babies is significantly smaller than the other.
에디의 마음은 더욱 다급해집니다. 상점에서 벌어진 다툼을 해결하려 나서는 에디.
Calm down, everybody!
You hear me now? Huh? We got this shit running like clockwork.
경찰에 문을 열어준 어린 갱단원이 배신자로 오해받으며 죽을 위기에 놓여 있었죠.
Send your ass. Yeah. Hope your ass can fly, nigga. Move. Let's go. I said I need you to think about it real good and hard, man, before you fuck with my money. Look at me.
부상당한 범죄자에게 은밀히 다가가는 새. 셀은 주변을 살핀 뒤 캐주와 탱고가 이곳에 나타나죠.
This motherfucker ain't church. Cat, man, this the snitch nigga right here. This the reason why police running up on us and shit, man. This shit. Fucking the whips, the stash, everything, man. We gotta switch up the whole operation.
I hope he's gonna pay for the strap on my book back though.
Hey! I don't want to me in the eyes. You want a friend? I could be your friend. Okay? We'll work this out. Yeah, everything's fine. We're gonna work this out. I'm gonna go check his ID. Just keep everybody calm. Yeah. No. You go check. I'm staying.
Eddie, come on.
I want you to go.
Eddie, don't embarrass me. I got it.
셀은 검은 돈을 발견하죠.
Enough money right here to buy you, your family,
See, Mr. Jose, he's turning my family. He's turning my family. You can't get me back. Get back.
그때 신입 경찰이 결국 총을 들고 마는데
One more time. Been talking.
No, man.
Get your grill fixed, man.
What? Come on, man. You see this?
Go kiss your mama.
How many times I gotta tell you, get out of here? All right? After you put it down. Wait a minute, go get the bag. I didn't ask you anything.
I ain't do nothing, man.
Give me your home.
결국 소년을 체포하는 과정에서 사고가 일어나고 맙니다.
Sal, what are you doing?
Fuck.
seats. Make sure he's down.
Yeah, he's
I
down,
didn't even
he's
fucking
down.
see that guy. Is he down?
Why are you so adamant on taking blame?
Because I knew I should have stayed.
경찰 조직은 이 사건을 아이의 문제로 돌려 조용히 덮으려 하는데
This student, he had $400 and an ounce of marijuana in his possession. Is it possible that Officer Quinlan was overzealous in apprehending a known drug suspect?
We need this to be drug related.
한편 셀은
Thanks for watching my back, Sal. Heard they're gonna pin a medal on you, bro.
Don't go pat me on the back, all right? I don't deserve it.
탱고는 깊은 고민 끝에 캐시에게 가짜 정보를 흘리는데
These cats I know uptown, they want to buy from us, wholesale. They're at the table asking 10 bricks hard. You just gotta meet them.
Tango, you trust these motherfuckers?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Now you sound real confident.
Yeah, I trust them, man. I wouldn't even come to you with this unless I did.
Set it up.
며칠 후 탱고는 캐시를 작전 장소로 데려가죠.
See, Cash, what we like to do things is, you know, we like to come together and try.
How long you been knowing Tango, man?
날카로운 질문을 던지는 캐시.
You know how he got his name?
Don't tell that fucking
No,
story.
no,
man.
it's all good.
Nah. Yeah.
In my man's hood, the boy had the nicest pair of hands in the whole neighborhood. He would have this little standoff shit. He would square off on a cat. He had this little slow rock, you know what I'm saying? Cats would be mouthing off to him. He'd just, you know, keep his head down a little bit, under-eye the motherfucker. Like this, all of a sudden, bang, bang, two right to the mouth. You know what I mean? Like he's about to fucking tango or rock the boat. I don't know what the fuck.
다행히 임기응변으로 상황을 모면하죠.
That was nice. Let's bring it in. There it is.
한편 에디는 경찰로서의 마지막 날을 맞이하는데
Patrol guide. That's it? Yeah, that's it.
I'm out, man.
끝내 탱고는 작전을 거부하죠.
Now, if the feds want to charge me, they can do that. Whatever else comes down, I'll deal with it, okay? But I'm done, man. I'm off the case.
You know, I told them that you'd see this through the end, but they knew better. They prepared for this. She expected this. They got their evidence. They don't need you anymore. This is gonna happen.
When?
I don't want you anywhere near this anymore.
서둘러 캐시를 찾아 나서는 탱고.
We're looking for you, man. Calling you. That phone call shit don't work.
We gotta get some paper together. You gotta get the fuck up out of Dodge right now, B.
Why?
Because there's a problem with the deal.
No, ain't no problem, man. Ain't no problem I can't fix.
그런데 탱고는 경찰의 비밀 아지트를 찾아가는데
Everybody give us a room, Johnny. Can you clear the room?
Saw y'all out there. Y'all all out there?
Try to reach you.
The whole damn block gets shut up. Y'all just sit there, don't do nothing about it?
You all right?
No, I'm not all right. I almost got my damn head blown off.
Calm down. We didn't know anything about it till after it happened, okay? He's
Your man Red tried to steal the deal for himself, plain and simple. He contacted our UC. We didn't
지난번 캐시에게 모욕당했던 레드라는 범죄자가 캐시를 죽이고 그의 거래처를 먹으려고 했던 것이었죠.
Jesus Christ. Are you finished with your self-righteous bullshit, man?
You're nobody's victim. You wanted undercover, and you pushed to make grade, and you got it. You understand? You made it. You got it.
You got what you asked for. Take your
life back. Take your life back.
한편 퇴직 후 쓸쓸히 길거리를 방황하던 에디는 지난번 경찰 게시판에서 보았던 실종 여성을 보게 되죠.
Sal, your phone. Hello? Hey, it's Ronnie. I know, he just stepped out. He left his cell behind. Uh-huh. Tell you the truth, Ange, I don't know what's been going on with him lately. Ange, let me call you back later on, all right? Yeah, don't worry, I got it covered. All right, bye.
그는 서둘러 새를 뒤쫓아가죠.
What, you internal affairs now, huh? Are you IA?
IA?
Are you IA? What are you, Ryan? Huh? Let's see this.
Check. Go ahead. Yeah, you want to have a look? Have a look.
Yeah. Don't fuck with me right now, Ryan. Don't fuck with me.
I know what you want to do.
Telling you, do not fuck with me.
You think this is going to help?
I would do anything for mine.
You're fucking blind to all you got.
동료의 말에 흥분을 가라앉히는 새.
Thank God for all you got. You do the same for me. Let's go to Dylan's, grab a beer. Watch the end of the ball game.
그런데
Sal!
셀은 위험을 알면서도 범죄 소굴로 향하는데 탱고는 친구의 복수를 하기 위해 같은 곳을 찾아왔죠.
Man, reading them up there? Yeah, they up there, Chang.
한편 에디 역시 납치 차량을 쫓아 이곳에 오게 되는데
Say, Michael, defend us in battle. May God rebuke him, we humbly pray. But do thou, O Prince of the heavenly host, by the power of God, cast into hell Satan and all the evil spirits who prowl this earth seeking the ruin of our souls. Fuck it.
탱고는 한치의 망설임 없이 놈들을 해치우고 셀은 범죄 조직의 은신처를 급습하죠. 그런데 탱고는 레드를 해치우기 전 자신의 정체를 밝히죠.
Clarence Butler, detective first grade. I just got a promotion today, B.
All that work me and you put in? Huh?
Yeah.
그런데 새를 쫓아온 동료 경찰이었죠.
Oh, God. God. Fuck. Oh, God.
한편 에디는 납치된 여성들을 찾아내는데 그런데 하지만 남자가 다가오려 하고 결국 에디는 납치된 여인을 구해내지만 왠지 그의 발걸음에는 씁쓸함만이 남아있죠.